हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मैं डॉक्टर श्रुति पारेख हूँ और आज का टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है डाइट एंड इट्स इम्पैक्ट ऑन मेल इनफर्टिलिटी. नाउ इफ वी सी इन जनरल, मेल इनफर्टिलिटी अकाउंट्स फॉर 40% ऑफ टोटल इनफर्टिलिटी. मतलब it plays a very important role. Usually it is found as a variable along with other factors, but sometimes it can be the sole cause of infertility in the couple as well. तो अगर कोई चेंजेस या कोई प्लान से इनफर्टिलिटी ओवरकम हो सके तो दिस माइट बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल टू द कपल. सो आइए जानते हैं कि मेल फैक्टर इनफर्टिलिटी के लिए आप क्या चेंजेस ला सकते हैं. Now to understand this better, शुक्राणु की लाइफ साइकिल समझते हैं. So it takes about 90 days या 3 months time for a fresh batch of sperm to be formed. This is actually a very reassuring fact because if a fresh batch of sperm is going to be formed every 90 days, whatever changes we bring in our day-to-day lifestyle or routine will definitely play a role in production of the new cohort and then eventually might end up overcoming the infertility factor. The sperm usually take about 72 days or the first couple 3/4 of that 90 days to be produced in the testes. So the testicular phase is what usually accounts for the sperm count and the sperm morphology, and the remaining last 18 to 20 days is where the sperm is exiting through the ejaculatory channel, and this is usually where the sperm attains its motility या sperm का जो movement, tail movement है वो ये last 18 to 20 days में आता है. So if there are some behavioral changes जो आप 3 to 6 months के लिए continuously करें तो definitely जो next sperm batch आएगा that would be better in count, motility and morphology. So let's discuss what are the changes you can do so that the sperm is positively benefited. Most important, I would say, is stay away from all forms of toxin exposure. Be it smoking, be it drinking, may it be gutka chewing, all forms of toxins are not good. Even subtle pollution levels do play a role. So make sure that इन्हें आप completely stop कर दें. Second is diet में oxidative stress हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा है in the city. तो अगर हम antioxidants को add करें in good amount, it would definitely benefit. So improve all your fresh fruit and vegetable consumption. Nuts and seeds को about 1 teaspoonful daily मात्रा में खा सकते हैं. Keep your processed food items to bare minimum और zero. तला हुआ spicy oily food को completely avoid करें. Heat tends to play a very important role in the sperm motility. तो जब टेस्टिस या स्क्रॉटल लेवल पे हीट एक्सपोजर बढ़ जाता है, स्पर्म की मोटिलिटी घट सकती है. सो मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट कीपिंग द लैपटॉप ऑन द लेग डायरेक्टली और द लैप डायरेक्टली. मेक श्योर यू अवॉइड वेयरिंग टाइट पैंट्स एंड अंडरपैंट्स एंड प्रिफर बॉक्सर्स व्हेन पॉसिबल. ऑल्सो हीटेड सोनास, जकूसीज में प्रोलॉन्ग टाइम के लिए लोअर बॉडी को डिप करना इज नॉट एडवाइज्ड. Also, I would say in general, exercise tends to bring a very significant boost in the overall metabolism and it will definitely help in the quality and the count of the sperm. Lastly, sometimes misguidedly, men tend to take testosterone supplements. Either for hair loss, they are put on anti-testosterone, or sometimes they are taking testosterone when they are trying to build their body. This has a direct impact on the sperm count and motility. So make sure you check with whosoever is giving you testosterone supplements or check with your fertility doctor if these supplements are safe for you when you are looking to conceive. That's about it. So to conclude, it is important to know that male factor infertility sometimes can be reversed just by good behavioral and lifestyle choices. For the sperm, a good 3 to 6 months of good lifestyle choices can make a big difference to your fertility journey. Hope this helps.